On number 7, we're trying to write the equation in point-slope form first, and then simplifying it into slope-intercept form. So they give us the slope and the point. They say contains the origin. Now the origin is just a fancy way of saying 0, 0. So my x1 and my y1 will both be 0 here. So if I do point slope form, this will be y minus 0 is equal to 1/5 x minus 0. So again, I'm referring to point slope form. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So from here, I'm trying to simplify it into slope-intercept form. The y minus 0, if you subtract by 0, that's not really doing anything. So if I just want to call that y on that side, I can. X minus 0, that's not really doing anything, so that's really just an x. And that x is being multiplied by this 1/5. So that's going to be just 1/5 x. And this will be our slope-intercept form. So I don't need to put plus 0, you just need to put 1/5 x. Let's look at 10. So again, I want to use the point-slope form first, and my x1 and y1 are here. So this is going to be y minus -4 is equal to -2/5 times x minus 15. So this will be y plus 4 is equal to, now we do need to distribute this fraction, and we need to be a little bit careful here. It is going to be -2/5 x. Now -2/5 times -15, if you hate fractions, your calculator should be able to do this. So if you use your calculator, if you type -2/5 times -15, then it will tell you that it is 6. So with fractions, you can always use your calculator, and it's going to be 6, so plus 6. And then lastly, I need to subtract this 4 from both sides. So if you subtract 4, it's going to be a plus 2. And that'll be your answer.